What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own presets in Lightroom. Right now I'm using Lightroom Classic, as you can see. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. This video is going to be super short and straight to the point. Phone went off. I need to mute that. There we go. And so first thing first, let's do a basic edit on our image here. I have a little flower, or like some grass, leaves, whatever right here. Gonna bring the exposure up slightly and just kind of give this a quick edit really fast. Make that pretty vibrant because I want that to pop. Give it a little slight tone curve, a little as tone curve, and then give it a little moodiness. Because everybody loves moodiness, right? How can you not? Okay, so once you have your image that you like, say you want to keep this as a preset for future images, so you could just put it on any image once you upload it to your Lightroom and you want to start editing it and see if that preset works best for that photo and whatnot, and just have that preset available for whenever you want to use it. So over here on the left side where it says presets, you're going to click this little plus button where it says add new presets and click create preset, and then just name it. Let's just name it green mood, if I could spell. There we go. And you could either just add it to user presets or add a new group, and you could even just put moody group, and then just hit create, and boom, it's right down here. You see over here on the bottom side it says moody group. Just click that little drop down arrow and it's right there. See, if I go to this image, let me take off this edit really fast, put import, and then scroll back up to the moody group and hit green mood. Then after you click the green mood or whatever your preset is named, you could just tweak with it, see what works best for that image, and just kind of mess with it, see how you want to edit it, and just it's a good starting point for almost any image that you want to use if it fits the image well. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like this video if this helped you out, and also subscribe if you are new and you want some more tutorials and whatnot. And yeah, remember to keep creating, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.